Good morning, students. Today, let us see the topic hemoglobin and oxygen transport. Generally, which element is present in hemoglobin? It's iron. You know very well that iron is oxidized. Once when it is exposed to air, it gets rusted. That we know already. But the Fe2 plus which is present in the hemoglobin doesn't get oxidized. Do you know why? Because the Fe2 plus ion in hemoglobin is surrounded by the globin protein chain. See, there they gave alpha chain, beta chain. No? That's what we are saying it as globin protein chain. So that is providing a hydrophobic environment. Hydrophobic environment in the sense it doesn't get attached to the water. For rusting, definitely water is needed. But here, water will not be available. So that only oxidation of Fe2 plus becomes difficult. Now, did you get the reason? Now, let us see the structure of hemoglobin. This hemoglobin, actually, it contains 4 units, each with a porphyrin ring. That porphyrin ring only, it is getting attached to the globin molecule. Okay. So, this ion, it is forming a coordination complex with an octahedral geometry. Octahedral means actually, here it is 6 sides. Okay. In that 4 positions of the octahedron, it is occupied by the porphyrin ring. 5th position, it is occupied by the imidazole ring of a histidine residue. And the 6th position, that is available for binding the oxygen molecule. Okay. In generally, Fe2 plus ion, it is susceptible to oxidation. Because of the globin protein part only, it doesn't get oxidized. Okay. Sometimes 3% of hemoglobin that is oxidized to methemoglobin. Okay. Methemoglobin in the sense Fe2 plus ion, it is oxidized to Fe3 plus state. Okay. At that time, oxidation, oxygen, it doesn't bind to that. So at that time, what happened in the sense, this methemoglobin reductase, it is present in our body. So that will reduce us the methemoglobin to hemoglobin. Is it clear now? Now let us see what is the action of cyanide in this hemoglobin. Actually, generally, hemoglobin has a greater affinity towards oxygen. In that oxygen position, sometimes cyanide, suppose when cyanide is intaken, at that time what happens in the sense, the cyanide, it binds to the hemoglobin in an irreversible manner. So that what happens? It blocks completely, it blocks the oxygen binding, so that the transport of oxygen from the lungs to the tissues, totally it will get stopped. That is why when cyanide is taken, immediately it leads to the quick death of a person. Okay. Because they will not get the sufficient oxygen. Okay. So, in today's class, you know what is the structure of hemoglobin and why Fe2 plus ion present in the hemoglobin doesn't get oxidized. Then how methemoglobin is formed. Then that methemoglobin, how it gets reduced to hemoglobin. Then what is the action of cyanide in this hemoglobin. Is that clear, students, now? Thank you, students.